look, my Temu order came. So we're gonna get this unboxed. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Felicia and I hope that you are doing well. Before we get started, I just want to say thank you Temu for sponsoring this video because I was pleasantly surprised when I went on your website and was able to find so many different things. So if you're new to Temu like me, Temu is an online marketplace that offers the most competitively priced products in multiple categories such as fashion, jewelry, home decor, pet supplies, and so much more. It offers really top quality products at a very affordable price. And just like me, everyone can enjoy the convenience and the comfort of this website. So you can just go to their website, temu.com, and check it out. Now guys, don't forget that this place, when I tell you things were like 90% off, they had free shipping, they had free returns. Everything was really easy to shop. I love the way everything had its own category. If I wanted to look at clothes, I could look at clothes. If I wanted to look at crochet items, I could look at crochet items. So not only is the website easy to navigate, they also have an app, guys, where new users can get up to $25 off their orders of over $50. So take advantage of that too. Hey y'all, so I'm popping back on really quickly because I'm literally editing the video that you're watching. But Temu reached out to me and they offered my followers and supporters a discount code. So you guys actually have a discount code where you can get 30% off if you're a new user to Temu, and they'll allow you to get 30% off their site. So that's on top of all the other cool discounts that they already have. So guys, take advantage of it. If you're interested in anything that I saw, make sure you use that link in the description box down below, or head over to the site and just make sure you put in this discount code, and it is PICK 5784. PICK, PICK 5784, and I'll make sure I put it on the screen somewhere so that you can see it. But I thought that was really cool that they gave us a discount code. So initially, when I went out to the website, my goal was to really just find neat little arts and crafts, sewing related things, crochet related items, because I wasn't expecting it. So when I went out there, when I tell you guys, they had so many things for the low. Like, the number of items that they had on that site, I was like, whoa. Mind you, I went on there to get crafting items, but I strayed, guys. I strayed. It was so easy to stray because they had so many things and they was so inexpensive. So I'm just gonna start you with some of the kitchen items that I got because if I'm not crafting, I'm usually cooking or I'm in the garden. So you can kind of know that for me. But this is a soap pump caddy. And I think it's kind of neat because I have one of these I got from another company and it came with a little brush. But I like this. I know, although, you know, guys, sponges, you have to throw these away often because they can hold bacteria. I think it's really cool because you literally can put the soap. I don't know if you guys can see that. You can put the soap in here with a little bit of water, and then it kind of just sits like that, and then you can just kind of pump it, and then you can wash. So I also, wait, let me time out. Do not judge me on all these things I got. It just varies. It just varies. I just got stuff. I was like literally like, ooh, that's cool. And then when you see the price point, then you're kind of like, oh yeah, I can see. So anyway, I've been wanting one of these things. It's random. I know. Don't judge me. You know, like when you get an envelope in the mail and you have to, like, you don't, want your address and stuff to show. This is what this is. That you just kind of roll it over, and that's that. And I don't know what this is. I think this is a letter opener. I think this allows you to open up an envelope without getting, because it's kind of sharp. But I really got it mainly because I wanted that little thingy so I don't have to keep tearing up stuff. Okay, I don't even know if this is worth showing, but it was crafty, and I do things with things like this. This is just the elastic, like an elastic, that's a lie. This is Velcro so that you can keep your cords organized. So random. I know. I didn't say I told y'all. When you see the amount of stuff on that website, if you've never been, Temu.com, you'll find yourself getting all kinds of random stuff too. So this is like cord management. Now I got some little stickers. These just say handmade with love. I thought that was really neat to have. Sometimes when you make gifts for people and you want it to look a little bit more professional, put together, this is nice. if you like what you see on their website, just go ahead and get it. Go ahead and get it, because I'll tell you another thing. Some of the stuff that I really wanted was sold out. And it wasn't that they would never get it back again, but it wouldn't be here in time for me to kind of present it to you. So if you see you like something and I tell you that price point is right, go ahead and purchase it, because it's worth it. I got a bunch of these dishcloths. That was another thing too that I noticed when I was buying things on the site. It was like basically buy it, get one free, because I got these little silicone bowl or fruit covers. I'll put it again up here, but it came with two. I didn't order two. I ordered one and I got two. And then the same with these dishcloths. So you can't go wrong with disposable dishcloths, and you can never have too many. So I got a bunch of those, because again, the price was right. The price was right. They had yarn, guys. I didn't get a lot of yarn. I just got a little because I have too much yarn. I know I have too much yarn, but I wanted to see the quality. The price point was right on this when I purchased it, so I went ahead and got these two skeins. They're small, but they'll be big enough to make like headbands and things of that nature. And then I went ahead and got a little bit of this Chanel yarn. It's 100 grams. And I just wanted to check it out to see. So there's an option. It does have yarn. They do sell yarn. When I make like granny square blankets, I like to sew on a like a backing. So these little clips are perfect, because you can put the flannel or the cotton back part on, clip them into place, and then you can sew around and really easy. So you can never have too many. I have some of these, but you can never have too many. So I got some of these, as well as obviously these stitching thingies, and these come in handy because, as you can see, even with this blanket, this labor of love that I'm doing, when I'm not working on a section, I just use one of these little clips, clip this down so that the yarn, all my work doesn't come unravel, obviously. So I have those little acrylic jars with lids. You can't go wrong with that. And I think it would be perfect for, you know, if you don't want to use in your craft room, you obviously can use them for cotton balls and Q-tips and things like that nature. But I was also thinking, you know, you could store little things like this in there. So you have 3 of these, and they're acrylic, so they're not gonna break. So it's perfect for a craft room. I told y'all before that I love planting stuff. So look how cute this is. It's a little planter. Is that not the cutest? Probably could fit like a 4-inch diameter flower pot in there. It goes all the way down to its little feet. And so I'm gonna plant something in this, and it's cute because it can sit on, like if there was a shelf, it could just kind of sit on the shelf. Isn't that cute? So I have nowhere in my home for this to be. I have nowhere for this to be, but I did not get just one. I got 2, y'all. I felt like it needed a friend. But look how cute. I could see like little, like a pothos plant in here, or a snake plant in here. So maybe by the time this video posts, I'll have put something in here and I'll post it to my stories. But look how cute it is. And you honestly could put anything in here. You don't have to put plants. This is turning out to be a haul because I'm telling you guys, this stuff was so, I don't think I know I didn't spend over $100. I know I didn't. I got a ton of stuff. Avocado slicer. Yeah, I got an avocado slicer. Actually, there's 2 avocado slicers in here. I have to go nowhere. I got a rice bowl. I told y'all this is a judgment-free. You know those little dry erasers that you get? I won't say the name of the company because there's a bunch of different ones, but basically it's the dry erasers. My children like to use these to pretty much wash their shoes. I like to use them on my cabinetry because I have white cabinets. So I got a pack of these. They're called Magic Sponge Erasers. So I will try those out. But they're herb savers, and you guys know I garden. If you didn't know, I garden. And this is what I pop this on like And then back here is where you put water so that you can save your vegetables. And last but not least, because I've seen it all over the I've seen this all over the internet and I wanted some, and they're actually really perfect because I crochet. Y'all, we crochet. We make smoothies, and I've seen people do like matcha tea and iced coffees. And the thing that I like about this is because it has a lid. And so how great is this? Oh, they sell this stuff on Temu, like, guys. It even comes with the little glass, the little cleaner for the straw. I could rave about the site for a lot of reasons, but I think this was my favorite. There was one other item that I really, really wanted. I went back and I bought it because it was out of stock, and I wanted to make sure that I got it because I just thought it was neat. When I get it, I will show you that item, but they had so many cool things. So go on their website and look and see what you can find. I don't normally rave about anything like that because, you know, everybody's money's different, but I was just happy with the price point. And I'm probably, you know, Temu. That's all I'm gonna say. This is my favorite purchase. I think I loved everything I got because I love the price point of everything I got. But I've always wanted these. I would like to know what your experience is with them, if you like them as much as I seem to like them, because they really seem to be doing a really good job of just having an array of things. So anyway, check it out. I'll put some more information about Temu down in the description box if you're interested. And let's move on to something else, which is this temperature blanket.